Let's talk about the talk of the town, Ranveer Singh.
He's absolutely amazing. His energy is just in a different level.
कान में ऐसा क्या है जो आप इतना ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं?
Cannes is the biggest fashion festival of the world. It's just like a milestone.
ऐसा क्या है प्रियंका में जो आप ये मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हो?
ऐसा क्या नहीं है, वो जहाँ पे भी जाती है, she makes all the heads turn.
काफी सेलिब्रिटीज यूएसए में आते रहते हैं एंड यू हैव डन देयर मेकओवर्स, आप उनके साथ में एसोसिएट हुए हैं.
मैंने बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज के साथ काम किया है. मानुषी छिल्लर, रकुलप्रीत सिंह, लियाना डिक्रूज, रवीना टंडन एंड मेनी मोर.
दीपिका पादुकोण के बारे में आपका क्या व्यूज है?
उसके सारे लुक्स जो है एफर्टलेस लगता है.
आलिया भट्ट के बारे में क्या सोचती हैं आप?
I don't think she needs any makeup. She is.
कियारा अडवाणी के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
I think she balances the soft glam with modern elegance so well.
ऋतिक रोशन के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? ग्रीन गॉड कहा जाता है उनको.
Hrithik Roshan is an.
शाहरुख खान के बारे में आप क्या सोचती हैं उनके हेयर एंड मेकअप को लेकर?
Shah Rukh Khan is called King Khan for a reason.
सोशल मीडिया का क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन है आपकी कामयाबी में?
My work has traveled before me because of social media. Hi, this is Vanita Patel and you're watching Memorable Conversation with Faridun Shahryar.
वनीता, you are a very respected name as a hair and makeup artist. वनीता पटेल मेकओवर्स बहुत ही कमाल का आपने काम किया है और मुझे अंदाज़ा हुआ है कि आप प्रियंका चोपड़ा का के साथ में एसोसिएट होना चाहते हैं प्रोफेशनली एंड यू वांट टू डू हर हेयर एंड मेकअप. ऐसा क्या है प्रियंका में जो आप ये मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हो?
ऐसा क्या नहीं है प्रियंका में? She has so many qualities that I really, really admire. And the one quality that really stands out is her self confidence. And we all know she's so confident. She's so confident that she can own the entire space wherever she walks into. वो जहाँ पे भी जाती है, she makes all the heads turn. And she's just her personality and um, her presence. She makes people know that she's there. You know, um, she's so fearless in her choices, I think, and she's so unapologetic in her style that that's a real power right there. And if I ever get chance to work with her, or if I ever get to do her makeover, I would love to take my work at a very different level, because she is a person who likes to experiment. She's fearless. She likes to take her look to a different level, think outside the box, and that's what I like. That's what I thrive. And I also would love to learn from her what drives her to be who she is today, what drives her to be so successful globally.
Alright, that was a wonderful answer, वनीता. तो वनीता, अभी आप कान में आप जा रही हैं, आप आईफा में जा चुकी हैं, आप विद इन यूएसए आपने बहुत ट्रैवल किया है वर्क रिलेटेड, मेक्सिको आप जा चुकी हैं, स्पेन, पोर्चुगल, इटली, लंदन, दुबई, सब जगह पे आप झंडे गाड़ चुकी हैं. कान में ऐसा क्या है जो आप इतना ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं? इट्स कॉल्ड द मेक्का ऑफ फैशन फॉर एग्जांपल.
Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. I'm so excited to be part of Cannes 2026. And as we all know, that Cannes is the biggest fashion festival of the world. So it's that excitement is just so real. It's like a milestone. And to be a part of that is just, I know it's going to be a unique experience. It's so exciting because every global platform, I think, brings in new faces, new experiences, new energy, new opportunity. So I'm really looking forward to meet with this amazing international artists all around the world, and also connect and collaborate with the well-known faces and celebrities, and take my work and elevate it to a different level and continue growing my work at a larger scale.
ओके एंड वनीता, डैलस में आप हैं और डैलस में आप एक बहुत बड़ा नाम है आप हेयर एंड मेकअप में. काफ़ी सेलिब्रिटीज़ यूएसए में आते रहते हैं एंड यू हैव डन देयर मेकओवर्स, आप उनके साथ में एसोसिएट हुई हैं. तो कुछ हमें नाम बताएं और कैसा तजुर्बा रहा आपका?
Oh, all those experiences were amazing. मैंने बहुत सारे celebrities के साथ काम किया है, and all those experiences have been so unique. And some of the artists that I've worked with in the past are Manushi Chillar, Rakulpreet Singh, Ileana D'Cruz, Rabina Tandon, Meenakshi Seshadri, Bhagyashri, and many more. Experiences with them has been so unique in its own way. And there are few experiences I would like to share with you, जैसे कि भाग्यश्री. As soon as मैं उनके होटल में enter हुई, to the end, the whole process was so much fun and so much lively. We had so much fun together, and as soon as she was done, she went to the mirror and looked at herself. And first of all, she's like, मेरा makeup हो गया, like she was surprised that I was done with hair and makeup in less than an hour. And then she looked in the mirror and she's like, oh wow, this is exactly what I wanted, her peach waves. And she's like, this is exactly how I imagined her face. She liked how the makeup was so natural. And I still remember that she commented that I had this positive aura around me that made her so comfortable, and that made my energy and my confidence boost to a different level. और फिर मैं मीनाक्षी शेषाद्री की एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहूँगी.
Mhm.
I have worked with her over years, many years, on various projects, and also done her hair and makeup and styling. And I think over years our relationship has grown or evolved into a deeper friendship, and that's something that I really cherish.
वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल। ओके, सो वनीता, मैं कुछ नाम आपके सामने लूँगा, कुछ सर्टेन बड़े नामों का जो कि बॉलीवुड में हैं। एंड अगर आपको उनके हेयर एंड मेकअप से रिलेटेड अगर आपको कुछ कमेंट करना हो तो आप कैसे करेंगी? दीपिका पादुकोण के बारे में आपका क्या व्यूज़ हैं?
दीपिका पादुकोण, जस्ट शी सो एलिगेंट. उसके सारे लुक्स जो है एफर्टलेस लगता है. I think she can carry smoky eyes with bold red lips or nude lips very seamlessly, and it just looks so good and so natural on her. And if you've seen her with messy hair, like she'll do like very casual bun with messy hair, I think it just looks very intentional, and she can carry it so well all together from head to toe.
आलिया भट्ट के बारे में क्या सोचती हैं आप, वनीता?
Oh, Alia Bhatt, her look is just so fresh, so dewy, and so flawless, so youthful. I don't think she needs any makeup. She is absolutely gorgeous. And if I, as a makeup artist, had to do her hair and makeup, in makeup, I would just enhance her features, and don't have to do much because she reflects natural beauty already. And I really like how she carries herself everywhere in every role, movies or uh, red carpet or any event she goes to.
राइट, कियारा आडवाणी के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगी आप?
So Kiara Advani, I think वो अगर नो मेकअप मेकअप लुक करे, सिंपल लुक भी करे, तो भी वो अच्छी लगती है. ग्लैम, फुल ऑन ग्लैम करती है तो भी अच्छी लगती है. आई थिंक शी balances the soft glam with modern elegance so well, and lot of people all around the world, young generation, takes inspiration of from her styling, and which is very incredible.
ओके, एंड करीना कपूर के बारे में अगर आप कुछ बताना चाहें?
Uh, Kareena Kapoor, oh my goodness, her fair and glowy skin is just absolutely beautiful. I've seen her up close in one of the events, and honestly, her face, it felt like if I touched her, it would leave a mark on her. She's so glowy, that as a makeup artist, if I have to do her makeup, if I had to do her makeup, um, I would just keep it so natural because I would like her skin to shine through. So yeah, and she, again, she can keep her whole face natural with a wing liner and look amazing.
ऑलराइट, ओके, एंड मुझे लगता है कि लेडीज़ के हेयर एंड मेकअप के बारे में बहुत बात होती है, लेकिन थोड़ा-सा जेंट्स हज़रात जो हैं, उनको थोड़ा-सा इग्नोर कर दिया जाता है। बट आई थिंक मेन आर वेरी कॉन्शियस ऑफ द वे देयर हेयर एंड मेकअप दे टेंड टू लुक। एंड मैं कुछ नाम लेना चाहूँगा और मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि आप उनके बारे में क्या सोचती हैं? शाहरुख खान के बारे में आप क्या सोचती हैं उनके हेयर एंड मेकअप को लेकर?
हाँ, और आपने जैसे बात की ना कि फीमेल्स एंड मेल्स, अभी आई थिंक कि इतना फैशन में चेंज आया है कि आई थिंक men are taking so much interest in making them look and groom themselves so well that I think it's really nice, and they deserve it too, because just like women, they need to look really good. So I think there are many actors that I really admire, their appearance and their personality and their looks. For example, I will say about Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan is called King Khan for a reason. He is so timeless. He's so iconic, and his personality is just amazing. So and also his styling in a lot of the movies, if you see his movies from before, um, kuch kuch hota hai to dil, I'm so bad with the movie names, but all the movies from before, he had different kind of hairstyles. He had short hair, he had long hair. And recently, the movie Pathan, he had this ponytail look, and it looked amazing on him. And the King movie that's coming up, I think he looks absolutely amazing in long hair. I think he should wear that long. He should wear it more often.
राइट ऋतिक रोशन के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? ग्रीक गॉड कहा जाता है उनको।
Oh wow. ऋतिक रोशन इज एन अमेजिंग डांसर। जब भी ऋतिक रोशन का नाम एसोसिएट होता है एक्टर की किसी के उसमें भी, तो सबसे पहले उसका डांसिंग स्किल, बिकॉज इज सो ग्रेसफुल, एंड एज अ डांसर, लाइक आई यूज टू टीच डांस ऑल्सो, and so I know how important it is to portray the dancing skill in the acting, which is a very very great combination, and it's very rare also. And he carries that so well, and he combines it so well. और उसकी स्टाइलिंग, उसकी बॉडी, उसकी फिजिक, आई थिंक इट all connects and all makes it complete together.
राइट, टाइगर श्रॉफ के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगी आप?
Wow, Tiger Shroff takes his physical appearance so seriously, and he should, because look at his body. It's amazing. His six packs. He inspires so many young generation to be like him. People go to gym and they're like, okay, I want to be like Tiger Shroff, and I see his gym videos, and he's amazing. He's amazing. So when and that tells you that he loves himself. He loves how he looks, and uh, he can show that in his work and his films and his roles. So I really admire how he takes his hair and makeup and his physical appearance so seriously.
राइट, ओके एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द टॉक ऑफ द टाउन रणवीर सिंह।
Ranveer Singh, अच्छा आपके पास पूरा दिन है, because I'm gonna go on and on and on about this guy. This, like Ranveer Singh, he's absolutely amazing. His energy, oh my goodness, whenever he's on the stage or any event or a movie, his energy is just in a different level. Like you just cannot sit like this. If you see him, you're like smiling, you're like energetic. His vibes, yeah, it's absolutely amazing, and he's so fearless. He's so experimental in his styling. I think he treats grooming as an extension of fashion. मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि उसको कुछ भी funky clothes पहना दो, और वो पहनता भी है. He likes wearing and experimenting things, like big glasses to like funky clothes, big jewelry to bright shoes, bright color pants, and because he carries that with confidence, it looks great on him. So and his long hair in Durandar, short hair in Durandar, you saw both sides of him. You saw him with short hair and looked really different. You saw him with long hair in Durandar, and he looks totally different. So he takes styling very very seriously, and he portrays in his role, and I really admire it, and I would love to do his hair one day, like long hair with, like, yeah, oh my goodness, he's absolutely amazing.
वंडरफुल, ओके एंड वनीता, आप बहुत ही कामयाब आप हेयर एंड मेकअप आप स्टाइलिस्ट हैं। वनीता पटेल मेकओवर्स इज़ अ बिग नेम इन यूएसए। आप विद इन यूएसए, मेक्सिको, स्पेन, पोर्चुगल, इटली, लंदन, दुबई, वेस्ट इंडीज़, बाहामास, आप कॉन्स्टेंटली आप ट्रैवल करते रहते हो। सोशल मीडिया का क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन है आपकी कामयाबी में? एंड हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज़ इट फॉर यू टू जस्ट टेक इट टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल?
With social media, I think has played such an important role in my journey, in my life, in my career. It has definitely built my brand, helped me build my brand because it has also required my hard work and dedication and persistence. But social media is such a platform these days that it connects people from all around the world, and that's what it has done for me. I think my work has traveled before me because of social media. It has taken me to all these countries or cities and places that you've just mentioned, and it only become possible because of that. And social media, I think that it has helped me so many others also. And people don't just book me for my skills; they nowadays book me because I think they feel like they've known me through my content. So I think social media is super powerful.
राइट। ओके एंड फाइनली वनीता मुझे आप अगर प्लीज़ बताना चाहें कि अम, आपका विज़न क्या है? आप अपने ब्रांड को किस तरीके से आगे लेके जाना चाहती हैं?
My vision is very big. My dreams are very big. I always aim higher. I always have bigger goals in my life. So I'm not going to stop. I'm just going to keep going. From owning charter to traveling all across the globe to starting my own academy and train dedicated and passionate talent and help them grow not only in their techniques and skills but also in their mindset and their confidence. And I definitely see myself working in Hollywood and Bollywood. At the end of the day, I believe sky is not the limit.